How to add photos on your Wix website. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply log into your Wix account. After that, open up any particular site where you want to add the images or photos and click on this option of edit site or design site. In case if you don't have any site, just simply click on it, and this is where it will take you. It is the editor of Wix. Now over here on the left hand side panel, you will see a lot of different options. You need to select the option of media, and after that, this is how it will appear. Here you can upload the media using your device. You can use Facebook, Instagram, Drive, Google Photos, and also in case if you want to upload free Wix images, then just simply search for it and you would be able to find it. And in case if you want to know how to add it, just simply select it, and this is how it will appear. Now you can make changes to it, edit it accordingly, according to your website, and you can also move it around. In case if you want to move it around to a different section, just simply drag it and drop it down, and you can also resize it quite easily. And this is how you would be able to add the images to your Wix website, and this is quite easy. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.